Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: a charged smart tag, your phone with Bluetooth and location enabled, and the official app open. Start now by placing the tag within a few feet of the phone. Proximity speeds discovery. In the app, choose Add Device, then grant any permission prompts. Location and Bluetooth are required for scanning. Once done, watch for the tag to appear in the device list. Make sure to tap its name to initiate pairing immediately to avoid timeout or conflicts. Once the app detects the tag, select it. You'll see a progress bar and usually an LED blink or tone to confirm. Let the firmware update finish before changing settings. Interrupting an update can brick the device. After update, name the tag clearly and assign it to a room or category so you can find it quickly. Make sure to configure separation alerts, sound intensity, and geofencing. These settings determine how and when you're notified if the tag moves away from your phone. Finish by verifying the tag's live location in the app and running a ring or find test to confirm audio and proximity. Place the tag on the item you want tracked and enable any low power or anti-loss modes to preserve battery. Make sure to add backup devices or family sharing if available so others can help locate items. If pairing fails, reset the tag per the manual. Usually hold the button 10 seconds. Restart your phone's Bluetooth, then retry. This single reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.